So, good morning, honorable present here. Course name 23 ITO 201 Software Testing, Open Elective, third semester, third year, sixth semester, Unit 4 Test Management. Introducing the test specialist and skill need by test specialist building a test group. So, we first I recap about last class, the test reporting. So, this is the most important test reporting for every cases. For example, buying any product, buying any if any defects or defect identification, you can take a test report, analysis, and after that return back to software development in the software developers. The developer can analyze us in your area and rectify and return back to in same customer sectors. This is one of the process for the last class we can saw the test reports. So now is a seek about our test specialist means so each and every person we have a specialist. For example, preparing of report or preparing of software and specialist in Java programming, Python programming, and specialization of requirement analysis process, specialization of analysis of design, specialization analysis of implementations. So each and every person has specialization in the area. So this is a evolution of test specialist. For example, starting from meticulous planning is most important and every sectors. Second, test designs. Third, test executions. Fourth, AI integration. Fifth, automation. Last is SDLC integrations. The first thing is developing comprehensive test strategy. So what are the needs of develop your softwares, and what are the amount required, or how many people are required, and how many budget to prepare starting phase to ending phase. So these things are based on meticulous planning is ready, you can start our procedure. Test design creative and effective test cases or scenario. So we have using one of the example use case model. We have 7 models are available. First thing, user use case. Second, class diagram. Third, sequence diagram. Fourth, sequence and interaction diagram, and state chart diagram. And after that, uh, st- uh, activity diagram, and after that collaborative diagram and a deployment diagram. And these diagrams are we represent about each and every phases. The customer or stakeholder can easily understand what's going on my projects. This is a test based on your test design is the easiest understanding of a product. And third one, test cases. Running a test in identify defects. Once identify, you can fix the bugs after completion sent to the software developer, identify your bugs, and okay, can accept the process after release your bugs and start a second level procedure. So the next, AI integration, utilizing artificial intelligence for automation, and based on each and every stage you can combine and modeling of your area. Automation enabling automated testing process based on that condition, easiest one in area. And SDLC integration based on embedding and quality of assurance through the life cycle. This is one of the case in the sectors. So test specialist skill based on critical thinking and automation framework and API non-functional testing and CI/CD DevOps integration and communication and collaborative. And first thing is validating AI output for focusing on high risk area, and automation proficiency in tool and Selenium and playwright or copyright process in the sector. And this thing catching and backend issues early and ensuring performance security and usability, and CI/CD DevOps integration, integrating test shoots and into the pipeline tool like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. And communication, convey the risk and technical finding to non-technical stakeholder about that one condition in the process. This is a way building a robust of testing process, starting from defined role and higher of mindsets, implement shift left, and use tool effectively and faster quality culture based on testing groups. So define role. What are the roles you have? For example, manager and designer, requirement and implementation, testing and maintenance process. Hire of our mindset means good knowledge of people we have hiring and develop a product of quality is very good. So this is the one of the thing. Implementship left means is most important. Each and every process moving based on your test manager and approval. You can implement your product in the sectors. And use tool. Good quality of tool management is one of the cases in the area of process. And faster quality culture. This is second method in the area. Building your sectors in the is value. So this is a test specialist responsibility, and based on your first thing, test planning, test design, test execution, test management, and test monitoring, defect tracking, test tool acquisition, tool technique innovation, and personal training, and test reporting, and policy maintenance. Finally, review participations. So this is the thing in the area. For example, first thing, planning, developing comprehensive test strategy and planning, and creating effective test cases and a scenario, and performing test document results, and tracking analysis of your metric of product, and overseeing a task and schedule and cost based on that one, and defect tracking and managing and resolving defects, and total tool acquisition and selecting and implementing test tools, and technique innovation, exploring and applying new test methods, and personal training, mentoring, and training of new staffs. And suppose I'm new faculty, I don't know anything. I ask the don't shame. Ask the detail and analysis of your process. Analyze, give a training, and take a experience after they have implemented our software product. And test reporting, communicate test results and insights in your particular stakeholder and customers. Policy maintenance, ensure adhere to testing policy and standard, and engaging requirement and design and code review in the areas. So this is my activity. So understand responsibility of test specialist based on e-commerce as a issue, login and payment, order tracking. The students finalize test specialist whether the process is going properly, implement or not, you can find out. Thank you. This is my test specialist MCQ. Who is the test specialist? SB's answer is right. Person responsible for designing and execution testing. And what is the main role of test specialist? And yes, answer is C. Ensuring software quality in various sectors. So this is my mind map, introducing a test specialist and a skill need by test specialist and build test groups. One is introducing the test specialist, second skill needed by test specialist, third building a testing groups, fourth element of the successful team, and fifth team structures based on your test manager, test lead, test engineer, automation tester, and performance tester. Based on all process based on your deliver high quality software, the customer and stakeholder very happy. So this is my textbooks. This is my textbooks and